All right, Grand Rising, everyone. It's JC King, and welcome back. I don't know, it's the middle of the night. and yeah, so I just woke up out of my sleep and I had this weird dream and everything. And so I got on here, right? So again, I was just, ended up watching a video real quick. And I just think that everybody is really, really fucking cute and everything. But I feel like, again, this is also more spell work from a stupid bitch, okay? And baby her man, okay? I guess they have some animosity towards me because her man used to be mine, or maybe something like this. We have a high priestess here because that's all that motherfucker really is. At the end of the day, they can try to mess around and, have things to do with missing items in my house and shit like that, and want to be the empress and everything, and might wear the title and might go shopping and might get shit a lot. But at the end of the day, the bitch ain't never gonna be mad. And so again, you can do what you please, okay? So let's see. Oh yeah, what do we have here? This fucking King of Cups here, okay? So yeah, we got somebody think they're real crafty and real cute and shit with their words and everything. But I see what you nasty motherfuckers is doing. All you bitches gonna go to jail, motherfucking rot in hell, okay? If you think that's what the fuck it is, okay? See, they fuck with me because they think I'm a snail, but I keep that shit real. And the bitch knows that she can never compete or compare to whatever the fuck I am and what I do. So again, we have the death card. So people think they're really cute and crafty with their words, okay? Yeah, that's what they think, okay? Yeah, we have the King of Cups in reverse though here, okay? Well, we have death in reverse, so I think that somebody should just thank their lucky stars. Be appreciative for a bitch like me that can tell them the shit that I'm telling them, okay? And I feel like maybe it's even too late for this person because this bitch think that she running some shit, and she is not the fuck over here. So again, you can keep whoever the fuck you're trying to send over here. It's not going to work. There's only one fucking divine masculine for me. And if that person is not available, then I choose the other one that could be for me. And if it's not that one, then leave me the fuck alone, okay? All right. So I don't want your offers. I don't want your whoever the fuck this Aries may be. I'm not really dealing with anybody, okay? I prefer you not to be sending people in on my sleep and trying to do spell work and binding shit that you know so much about, all right? So again, we have the Hangman here, okay, in reverse, okay? Yeah, no one's just hanging there anymore waiting for whatever the fuck you have to say, all right? You can kiss my ass right away, all right? So we have a Hierophant in reverse here. This may be the Hierophant that one of these bitches or all of these bitches have something to do with trying to plot their murder. Okay, this may be because this masculine may have had something that belongs to someone. Hell, maybe even me. And so these people want to do something to try to get rid of me or try to put me off on someone else because they don't want to give me my fucking money. So they want to try to link me up with someone else in my dreams or some other way through some other fucking ritual because these bitches are wicked fucking witches. Okay, so we have the moon here. Yeah, something's being done in the dark. And it may have something to do with this Hierophant's money. And this Hierophant may have been married to somebody like me. Okay? All right? And these people may have done something like stolen this person's goods. And so now they have to come up with something and try to make it seem like this person is doing something mean to me. They may have even made this person go into a coma or lose their mind. And this person is not in their right mind. So before anybody makes any choices about this person, this will be past, present, or future, then I think they should talk to his fucking wife. We have the Hermit card here, okay? We have somebody watching something very closely, I guess. Possibly the star of the show that bitches are jealous of. So again, at the end of the day, keep whatever the fuck you got. Whatever you sit in this way, bitch, you can take it back 100 motherfucking and 25%, all right? And again, we have this straight card where the lion is like, bitch, get the fuck up off of me. Yeah, they might have blonde hair, curly hair, this shit like this. You know what I'm saying? In their head at this moment in time, they might be the motherfucking lioness. They might be the motherfucking lion. Maybe of Judah, maybe of something else here. But they know that there's a fake bitch trying to play her fucking part in a certain position where she needs to sit the fuck down because there's only one star in this fucking show. All right? All right, so God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. But the sun ain't going no motherfucking where. Only thing we could do is try to put the sun in reverse here and put this stanky hoe up in this spot right here that does all this spell work and this witchcraft against his real woman, okay? And she may be pissed off, and this might be this person that's, kind of somebody that likes to mess with any dick to get to the top of the line, okay? And then just to be able to get some type of position of power or something. She wants to make sure the Empress doesn't get her cat anywhere near these cats, because she know that once she does, then that bitch is going to have to get back. So we have the Page of Swords here, okay? Luckily, when the Black Hawks come around here, they are very soothing and they're very, you know, helpful with sending signs and messages. But I feel like when it's coming to these people, this Page of Swords, whoever this is trying to cut some shit up, okay? It's going to be rudely fucking awakened, because I'm tired of these bitches and this is my shit, okay? So sit down and deal with it, okay? So again, we have the Five of Wands here. I feel like this is some commotion. Like I said, today is going to start some commotion here. I feel like there is a masculine that's out of his fucking mind, because he's probably been brainwashed to think that he is chosen someone over his Empress, and that's fine. But what you're not going to do is be in control of the Empress's life, all right? Yeah, there's some heavy, thick, evil shit going on here. And the wicked must try to get the others to rest, okay? The real to rest. And I feel like that's what the fuck I can say. At best, all right? So let's see. Let's see. So like I said, whatever God they're serving, okay? They may be thinking that they're serving a God. It's just not mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm different than these people, I guess, right? So again, it says, though the godless be proud as the heavens, thinking that they can control other people's lives and their narrative. Because again, at the end of the day, that's not what the fuck I'm trying to do. If anything, I do what the fuck I can do. And it usually works or happens. All right. And like I said, until these people have gotten their hands on this masculine here. All right. So again, I know this masculine cannot be in his right mind, or this masculine is no longer with us. And these people are just pulling strings and doing things in order to cover their asses for whatever they've done to him. Okay. These women are very wicked. These are people that will try to do things like send people different energies in on your sleep here. These are hoes that will get pregnant and then try to do something like swap destinies with you here. Okay. Because they're loose. Okay. This is also a masculine, too, that might be altered, or a clone energy that is not in his right mind. You know, this bitch got her grips on him, and so he doesn't know his wife anymore because, again, he's probably been replaced. Okay, and so in that case, he's not going to be able to see, or, yeah, those who knew him wonder where he is gone. Again, like I said, because these people have basically probably done something to this person's mind, okay? Some type of mind control or manipulation here. I feel like these hoes work for the Biden administration, okay? And I feel like, you know, they get paid under the table. This masculine is paying for their flights and shit like this, okay? In their hotels. But these bitches don't know that, again, this masculine, if this is the first husband, the Taurus / Scorpionic husband of this Empress, okay? That is her fucking husband, okay? So whatever they're spending, if they have done something to him, will be on her motherfucking dime, okay? And that's a crime, bitch. So you will go to jail for a lot of fucking time, bitch, okay? So again, don't come over here with that bullshit, all right? All right, see, I feel like this is a whole bunch of people, like a coven or something, coming against the Empress again, you know, because again, that's what they've been doing all her life. So all these hoes know exactly who the fuck I am. They know exactly what the fuck I do, and they are afraid, all right? Again, so we have somebody laughing here in that chapter that we're reading, but again, I feel like these motherfuckers is a little bit shook at the end of the day, all right? Let's see. Yeah, so again, they enjoyed the taste of his wickedness, okay? Letting it melt in his mouth. Yeah, because I think some of these people are just that, his, okay? Or he, all right? I don't know if that the masculine knows that or not yet, but that's what I think. So again, sipping it slowly, lest it disappear, okay? Let's see. I don't know. This could be also, there is an arch nemesis energy that I feel is a masculine that is connected to this masculine or whatever. I don't know. It's like somebody that's in the likeness of this masculine here. All right. Sipping it slow, lest it disappear. Okay. Somebody enjoyed the taste of his wickedness. But I don't know. I feel like maybe this is also some kind of torturing event that they're trying to do to a masculine here because he wants to be in love. And these people want to be in control, okay? And they want to hurt somebody. Because the all the way up, yeah, the Lovers card fell on the ground here. Okay, because everything that these bitches will do will be continuing to crash and burn, okay, from this day forward. Because I'm done with these bitches fucking with me. Trying to act all nice. You know, what was that game? What was that song that came on? I think it was, you know, when a man loves a woman, you know, she can do no wrong. So I think this bitch think that since she got her hands on the masculine, that that's where she at. But little do she know that the masculine is not the only motherfucker in the heavens or anywhere else that know who the fuck I am. This is why these people like to try to control the narrative, control what I'm doing. They want to try to control my finances, my money, well, I wouldn't say fans, okay, because I don't like to use that term, but my followers or my people that walk with me here. Okay, so I think they're trying to kill me off in some other kind of way or trying to piss me off or irritate me or something like that, which can work a little bit, but at the end of the day, you don't own me, and I wish that you bitches would stop trying to send people on me in my motherfucking sleep or whatever the fuck you doing, okay? It's real disrespectful, real nasty. I don't like that shit, and I wish you would just go ahead and quit. Because when I do learn what to do to bind your motherfucking ass and send that shit back your way, you gonna motherfucking pay. Ten of Swords in reverse. Sneaky Pete. Funny face ass bitches talking about people stink. This is how the fuck you know? What kind of creature are you? How the fuck you getting close to somebody close enough to see what they smell like, taste like, look like, or some shit like that? Some weird ass motherfuckers, I tell you. All right? So again, yeah, tower moment for them motherfuckers, okay? And we'll see. You know what? It may be like you know, they feel this taste of this sweet victory in their mouth, you know, for a second. But I tell you one motherfucking thing. You're going to stop coming for me. And these are weak, cowardice motherfuckers, okay, that all get together, a whole bunch of people to try to do witchcraft, try to covet people's husbands, try to come for people's husband. Yeah, this old shit. Trying to hook people up in, you know, other kind of relationships that they don't want nothing to do with here, okay? All because they all mad. They all mad at the power that one holds,